First, go to the site by clicking on Launch App. Connect your wallet, and once connected, you're all set. Next, select the desired tokens, network, and add desired amounts to transact. Once you're ready, click on Swap and confirm the transaction on your wallet after reviewing the details. That's it, it's that easy. Using Dexlyn Bridge is super simple and secure. First, connect your wallets. This includes both your source and destination wallets. First, add your MetaMask wallet for Ethereum chain. To do this, click on Connect Wallet and click on Connect in the pop-up. This is your wallet on your source network. Once connected, add Starkey Wallet, which will help you receive the funds on your destination chain. Click on Connect Wallet in the second dialog box and click on Allow. That's it. Now you're all set to transact on Dexlyn Bridge. Select your source and destination networks, in this case Ethereum and Superchains. Select the tokens and enter desired amounts. The amount for the destination chain should reflect automatically. First, you'll need to approve the funds for the transaction. Click on Approve and then confirm the pop-up in your MetaMask wallet. Next step is the transaction itself. Click on Submit, which should open a pop-up in your MetaMask wallet. Once you confirm that you have successfully managed to bridge tokens from Ethereum to Superchain. It's that easy.